I live in Bay Area, and I find Alvi, this company in Southern California, and I fall in love with his products because the product is really a piece of art. The workmanship, the look, it's nothing like it in this area. So I had to contact him, and we made a contract. It took about 8 weeks. Finally, I got my beautiful, gorgeous fence and gate door. There is a gate door and also a garage door that flips over, which is very unusual. I mean, for 19 feet, this thing goes up and is unbelievable. 4 guys came from LA. Today is the 5th day and non-stop for 10 hours a day. They're very pleasant, very professional, and the product and the outcome is wonderful. I'm very, very happy.